Hello everyone, welcome to another Power BI DAX related tutorial on Slidescope. And in this tutorial, we are learning about important filter functions in DAX in Power BI. So, filter functions in DAX are used to perform advanced filtering and retrieve specific subset of data for calculations or visualizations. In our DAX Power BI playlist, we have already discussed about one function which is called calculate. In this chapter, we will specifically group the functions that are used for filtering in Power BI or filtering in DAX. The first function, as the name suggests, is filter. Its purpose is to return a table that represents a filter subset of large table. So you have Suppose you have some table like this. So we are considering the sample superstore data set in this example, where you have a big table with approximately 10,000 rows of data, and you want to retrieve all orders with discount greater than 10%. Okay. So let's say we have a some value of discount here. So every order that was given has some discount value. So you know we can simply sort descending to see highest discount that was given is 0.8 or 80%. Okay, and lowest discount that was given is zero point 0.2 or a point or 0, sorry, which is no discount. Okay, so here we, when we have a table like this and we want to get discount, so we can apply a formula here. Okay, in formula you can see we are using filter, we are filtering orders, and when usually in a formula, in a function like a filter function is there, when we see that a table is passed, okay, then you will see some kind of evaluation here, some kind of condition here, some kind of another code here which will evaluate something. So what we are doing here is we are selecting the discount column from our table, that is orders, and we are saying select only those orders where discount is greater than zero point 0.1. So we are selecting orders or filtering orders where order is greater than zero point 0.1. So its SQL equivalent will be select orders where our discount is greater than zero point 0.1. Okay, so in simple word, so we can try and create this. So we can go to modeling and create a new table, and we will call it filtered orders. Okay, so you can see another table, filter orders, is created. It will also have the same columns because we are not saying we want any specific column or a set of columns. We are selecting the entire table. Select star. Okay. And when you will commit, you will see that a table filter orders will be created. And when you will click on this filtered orders table, you will see that it has only those orders where discount is greater than zero point 0.1. So this way you can create a calculated table with the help of filter, or in simple words, you can use filter to filter data. If we go to modeling once again and click on new table, and let's say we apply some kind of custom filter. Okay, let's say, and here we write filter. So when you are not sure, you know, what arguments will come in a function or what parameters you have to pass. So you have to see it is asking for table and your filter expression. Okay. So table is, let's say, orders. So you have to write your table name and then your expression. So let's say we are writing expression as order region is equal to, and let's see some regions first, like what valid regions are there. So west is there, so what if we write west here? Okay, so and we have to write it in double quotes because it's a literal string value we which we are doing. Okay, let's click apply, and now let's see the custom filter table. Here if you will go, it will have 3203 rows, and if you go to region, you will see only west region is selected. Okay, you will see all those orders where region is west is selected. So this is the use of filter in DAX in Power BI. From the data set, we know that another city in the west region is Washington. So what if we want to apply a filter where region is west? So you can write two AND operators. This is the AND logical operator. That means it will give us results for two conditions. Okay. So, and second condition we can write as city is equal to Washington. Okay. Let's try and see if this is correct. And now when you will see the tabular view in your custom filter, you will see that it is not showing us this result. There can be many cases, like maybe the spelling is wrong, and because of one very simple mistake that we made, that it's not actually city, it's state. So we can say the order state is Washington, and then you can select city also, like city is Seattle and so on. You can apply multiple filters. So here you can see, now we can see that in our orders, uh, state is Washington, region is west, and we can see there are multiple cities here, like Seattle is here, and Kent, Renton, Pasco, there are different cities. So similarly you can apply many other conditions, like you can again write, uh, you can write something like and here, and then you can copy this, and you can say order city is equal to Seattle. So we are comparing three expressions here, and after comparing them we are using the AND operator here. So that's why we are filtering the records. So from our table orders we are saying give us only those results where region is equal to west, order state is Washington, and order city is Seattle. Okay, now you will see we have 428 rows. You can see the number of rows here also, and it will give you results of only this city. Let's say you want to apply furthermore conditions that sales amount should be more than $500. So what you can write is and order sales, we can write sales directly. So order sales is greater than 500. So let's apply. So you can see now we are left with only 58 rows. So this is our big filter here, and we can write, we can simply uh, go back to our visual, and in our visual we can use the custom filter to create some visuals. Okay, and you can use it, use this table also in your other visuals, and you can apply or create measures on this visual only by using the name of this table, like you are using orders here. Now you can use custom filters, and then we can also call it something like Seattle or Seattle 500 plus, something like that. So that we can understand that this particular table has all the orders which are from Seattle and are more than 500 plus of sales value. So I hope you understood this concept. In upcoming chapters we will learn more about other type of filter functions and how they are different and what is their use.